Welcome. In this short video we'll see how to add a logo and update the name of the monitoring system. Under Tools, click on Setup, and under Setup on System. Here you have the possibility to adjust the company logo and update the name. Click on Load to update a new logo and find where your logo is saved. You see automatically on the left hand part of the screen the logo appears, and then to update the name, click and add the desired text. Click on Save, refresh the window, and you will see that the name has been updated. Thank you for watching.